My name is Hasmiya. I am from University of Kelaniya. My topic is partial and temporal variation of ambient SO2 and NO2 dustfall rate in the vicinity of Lakvijay coal power plant in Sri Lanka. Coal-fired power plants are major source of several criteria air pollutants. There are extensive studies done to assess this pollution in other regions, but only limited studies are available in South Asian region. Therefore, the present study was planned to assess partial and temporal variation of ambient air quality around Nuracholi coal power plant. My hypothesis was a significant partial and temporal variation of ambient air quality may exist at a distance of 3 km from the power plant. My objective was to assess the partial and temporal variation of selected air pollutants at a distance of 3 km from the power plant. My sampling duration was 8 months. Reference site was selected from Maduram Kulia. All parameters were analyzed using standard methods. Minitab 17 software was used for all statistical analysis. Geographical data treatment were done using ArcGIS software. Weather data were collected from Meteorological Department. Mean concentration of studied air pollutants across the selected sampling sites showed highest SO2 concentration in site S1, highest NO2 concentration in site S5N, highest dustfall rate in site S5N followed by site S4. Mean concentration of studied pollutants along each month of study period showed highest SO2 concentration in month of July, highest NO2 concentration in September, highest dustfall rate in July followed by August. All NO2 and SO2 concentration were remained on the safe level according to WHO and US EPA guidelines. Highest dustfall rate values were higher than many similar studies done around the world. However, construction of barrier wall near coal yard remarkably reduced the dustfall rate. Spatial and temporal variation of SO2 map shows highest values in site S1, which is the closest site to the power plant. Variation in NO2 shows higher values in site S5 and S6. S6 is moderately urbanized with some commercial activities. Dustfall shows highest concentration in site S5, which is the closest site to the coal yard. When considered the PCA, first PCA was done for spatial variation of air pollutants. It provided 3 clusters showing a spatial variation in pollutant concentration. Second PCA was done for temporal variation of meteorological parameters. It also provided 3 clusters which shows a temporal variation. Based on my study, I can conclude that major source of dust in the study area was the power plant. Site S5 is most polluted, site S2, S3 and S8 were moderately polluted and other sites were less polluted. Dustfall is the dominating pollutant in the site. Changes in air pollutants were significantly correlated with meteorological parameters. A partial and significant temporal variation was observed from ambient concentration of SO2 and NO2. I recommend to use Dustfall jar for monitoring the dustfall nuisance problem in Sri Lanka. Extending of established barrier wall to prevent movement of coal dust from the plant is also suggested. Thank you.